Hello guys, I'm Ikigami, 24 years old, professional marathoner. I had been suffering from chronic plantar fasciitis almost for 3 years. But now I'm an injury-free runner, and today I'm gonna talk about how to tape chronic plantar fasciitis or acute plantar fasciitis. Some people say taping doesn't work well for plantar fasciitis, and I thought so in the past, but since I tried this way, how to tape plantar fasciitis, I cannot run without taping, and also when I have a long travel, I always tape my plantar fasciitis. And the biggest thing is you should use white athletic tape. Maybe most of people use kinesio tape, but kinesio tape is too weak for plantar fasciitis. After it's healed, maybe it's a good idea to use kinesio tape for preventing. But if you still have a pain, I highly recommend you to use white athletic tape. And white athletic tape is not expensive. This costs about $400 in Japan. I don't know in the USA, but I'm sure it's not expensive. Alright, let me explain how to tape it. First, wash your foot with soap. Make sure dry and clean. And lean your toe back a little bit. Hold your toe and lean back a little bit. And start fifth finger. And just to heal bone. This is the first one. And the second one is from the first two. Don't pull the tape. Make sure not to pull the tape. If you pull it when you are running, maybe it hurts a little bit. And just to heal the bone. That's it. That's enough. I always do this before running, and the pain maybe 30% decreases or sometimes 50% decreases. And the worst thing about chronic plantar fasciitis, even in a daily life, you feel a pain. And this taping helps you to get rid of some pains. This is not the real treatment, but I'm sure this taping can help you a lot in a daily life and when you are running. I also tell you the sub tape from the inside ankle and try to push up your arch a little bit and to the outer ankle. This is the third one. I don't need a third one, but if you want to make sure to reduce as much pain as possible, I also recommend you to this third tape. This can help you a lot. Taping can be a quick solution for the pain of plantar fasciitis, but it's not a real treatment. I also explain how to treat chronic plantar fasciitis with the trigger points and scraping technique in a different video. And so I would really appreciate if you subscribe my video channel, and also I write how to fix chronic plantar fasciitis in my official website ikigamihideki.com. So if you want to know more information or if you have any questions, let me know and click the link below and contact me. Thank you for your watching. Take care. Bye for now.